It's the feeling of jubilance, gladness, carefreeness, worry-freeness, because I know through so many experiences that Olódùmarè, God Almighty, all of my ancestors, all Irumare, my Ori, my Yekbe, they're supporting me, they're propelling me forward. This is confirmed through my Dafa numerous, and I am thankful, and I have no fear. And I thank Olódùmarè, God Almighty, for keeping me in the fold of Olódùmaré's embrace and lifting me up and propelling me forward. I thank Olódùmarè for granting sanction to all benevolent spiritual beings that are also supporting my destiny and my earthly missions here. I give thanks for the warnings and the awareness that yes, enemy forces do exist, both from the spiritual realm and right here on planet Earth. But I give thanks to Olódùmarè for the guidance and the encouragement and the direction to stay focused and look forward. And that as long as I am making sure I put my heart, my trust, my all in Olódùmarè, God Almighty, my ancestors, my orishas who are guiding me, that all things that stand in my path will be neutralized and eliminated. I thank you, my people, and I pray for your wellness and elevation and reconnection to ancestral spirit, for it is definitely our strength and our power, and no one can take that away. Ashe, 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 Olódùmarè. I thank you.